Scott Holbrook, president of Secure Tool, currently in Guadalajara, Mexico at our web sling and tie down manufacturing facility. We actually do a little bit of wire rope here as well. You can see the press machine right there. 2014, Secure began relocating our supply chain out of Asia. We just saw problems writing on the wall, and we began relocating our facilities here to Mexico. And I encourage everyone else to strongly consider making that same move. What you got in Mexico is all the advantages of Asian manufacturing, minus any of the disadvantages. So for example, the shipping costs, the shipping consistency, the logistics generally speaking is much easier coming from Mexico than it is from China. As we all know, China is completely shut down right now. The cost is comparable, if not even cheaper, labor-wise, than China. China has been increasing in cost for the past few years now, and is certainly getting to a parity with the rest of the developed world. What you get with Mexico that you don't get with Asia is an educated workforce. Educated in the sense that here in Mexico, they actually use the products that they're making. They actually use web slings and tie downs, in Mexico. You can see them on the trucks as they drive around. Unlike a place like China, where they simply make you products without understanding what they're for, how to use them, or in any way to move on and innovate on them. Here in Mexico, there is a ton of innovation. In fact, our own facilities here are doing some innovative things with different materials, different cables, different cords, different synthetics, and we'll be excited to share those with you when their development is complete. Anyway, Guadalajara, Mexico. This is our web sling facility. We do a little bit of wire rope here as well, but we couldn't be happier with the move. We couldn't be happier with the individuals making our products. They have attention to quality, detail. They take pride in their work, and we couldn't be happier with the level of sophistication and technology that is being used, in making the Secure brand products. Once again, anyone that's looking for greener pastures and supply chain, looking for products, looking to get out of Asia, strongly encourage you all to give Mexico a very serious look.